Okay, so there's this super cool bird that I got. I just watch this. Watch. Look. It should be tilting, but no, it's not. There. Look at that. And watch this. Okay, so here, right here, I have the bird. And as you can see, it's completely just on my finger. There's nothing stopping it. If I flip it from the back, you'll see there's nothing stopping it. Look at that. And then the craziest part is I can put it on anything like this. So if I put it right here, I could just put it right over there and just let it float. Look at that. Let me know where you should put it next. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks a lot and hope you have a great day.